guys. I don't think it really gets much better than this. God, it's a gorgeous day. Yeah, fourth gear. This is the road I deliver on and do have my Dukes of Hazzard routine in four-wheel drive in the Explorer. Yeah. Yeah, this really is bliss. I don't think it gets much better than this. At least after 40. We still have some ice here, but who cares? God, what a gorgeous day. Gorgeous. Yeah, I'll come back to you guys later. Let's see, there's the alpaca, having a good time. Yeah, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I love Kern County. Birds are these? Oh, I got a friendly honk. People know a good vehicle when they see one. Okay, I'm going to double hand this wheel here. I'll come back to you later. Alright, let's go down this hill here. God, thank you, God, for this. Yeah. Gorgeous. Did you find any grass, cows? Huh? Any grass? There's some. The Darling Ranch. Grass-fed beef. Yeah, I'm having a Dukes of Hazzard moment here. Yeah. I'll have a big one later on. All through that ice. Hut, 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 hut. Yeah. That's right, cows. Look at my tractor. Look at my tractor. That's right. Pinyon Pines Estates. That's where I live. Lucky. I think that was John from the post office. Yeah. Well, there's the road home, but I don't want to go home yet. I think I'm going to keep going and I can turn around at Darling. Oh, here comes another Dukes of Hazzard moment. I did break the ice earlier today delivering mail, but this can handle it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. That's right. Easy. Break them up. Break them up. That's right, be grateful for your mail carrier. Yeah, let's go to Darling and then turn around. It's too good. Too good. So this is the local haunted house in my neighborhood. I'd love to check it out. I like the green. That yellow green, actually. Let's zoom out a little bit here. Well, I guess it's time to go home. I mean, I haven't replaced the generator belt. I'm just running on the battery. But I could probably do this all day. Yeah, I guess it's time to try to go home. I don't know if I can record this going home in fifth gear up that road. I shouldn't, but I might. We'll see. Well, we're back home at Pinyon Pines. So let's put this in fifth gear, which I've done. Let's do. We'll give it full throttle up this hill here. Let's go for it. We do it. Nice day for it. Let's do the turn, man. Come on. Oh, we got a car behind us. Yeah. I got another thumbs up there. Yeah. That person behind me is nice. Kern County Mountains. Home stretch. Okay, let's do this with one hand. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to second gear it. Oh, the car's behind me. Let's pull over. Thank you. All right. Let's back up and let's make this turn kind of bigger here. Okay, let's make this turn. Ooh. Thank you, Governor. Woo. She is home.